allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Well, good morning. My name is Jed Davis. I'm the CEO with HomeStrong USA, and it's my pleasure and honor to introduce to you Army Sergeant First Class Maribel Chacon and her family.
I joined in 2000.
Yeah.
I've deployed 3 times.
What can we?
I'm still in the Army Reserves.
We are here because of your sacrifices, and we're also here today to give back. And because HomeStrong USA believes in a safe and healthy home for every veteran, every active service member, and their families. And of course, you guys are all here today as volunteers to help make sure that this home looks great as well, because every service member should have a home that looks great. It should be the best looking home on the block.
On behalf of State Farm, we are absolutely delighted to support HomeStrong and all the programs that benefit active military and veteran families. We're absolutely delighted to help your family create a house that you're proud to call home.
It makes you feel valued, like you count. And that people still care.
And in this house, you see out front we're providing the drought-tolerant landscaping, but what you don't see is the real important stuff, the safety and the health issues inside. We're working on the bathrooms, making them completely functional, going through any of the code issues that happened in the back with some dry rot and some termite damage, and we're working on the plumbing, the electrical, and you'll see in the front the painting on the eaves and all the dry rot in the front as well.
So what to you is the most exciting thing they're doing here today? The plumbing?
The restrooms. We've been down to one restroom for over a year now.
Yeah.
Even just a little bit, if they would have said, oh, we're just going to cut the trees, I would have been happy. Because just that, like I said, it's right there, it's over $200. Where there's times where it's like, okay, car repairs or trees.
So on behalf of State Farm Insurance, we would like to present Jed and the recipient of the HomeStrong Heroes program, Maribel Chacon, with a check of $25,000.
They're willing to spend their personal time to come out and do labor. It's not just posing for pictures, but actually labor.
It's just really exciting. I mean, it's a way for us to pay back that Miss Maribel Chacon, and so for us to be able to give back to her is truly an honor. We're truly grateful for her service.
From the bottom of our hearts, we thank everybody from HomeStrong for making this possible, making it a safer and more pleasant home, a real home for all my children and myself.